Hello, let me show you how to customize always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A57, and I'm gonna even show you some hidden settings that you cannot find in their normal settings. So first, to get this base settings, we have to go for lock screen and AOD, go for always on display, and what we can change here, first of all, we can remove the now bar, for example, or change the time when it will be turned on and off. So if you want to get real always on display, you have to mark that option. And this is this part that we can do here, but if we go into the themes application, we can quickly download additional themes by going to the AODs. For example, if you don't want to pay for it, select free, and you can even get the animated theme, like for example this one. You have to tap on it, click download. When it will be downloaded, you have to click apply and select one of the following option. Then click done. And now when you lock the screen, we should get it. And as you can see, here we can find this animation. But that's not actually everything, because you can even customize more by going into the Galaxy Store. Now go for apps, and you have to search for a Good Lock application. Get it on your phone. Just open right now. And here we can actually, we have to download this plugin, Lockstar. When you open it, what you can even do, you will be surprised. Well, you can actually adjust the always in display brightness. So you can even increase it like so for 100% and then click done.